Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn problem number 217, content duplicates. It is this problem from LeetCode. So here you can see the problem statement. The given integer array numbers, okay, return true if any value upper at least twice. Okay, if any value upper twice, then you can return true in the array. Okay, in the array, if any value operated twice, then we will return true, and return false if every statement is distinct. Okay, if we have different value, then we can return false. So here you can see the number equals to 1231. Okay, in input, so it return true. The explanation: the element 1 occur at the indices 0 and 3. So element 1 is repeating here at index 0 and index 3. So that's why we need to return true. And an example 2, 1 2 3 4. Uh, this return false because we got all the element are distinct. Okay, here you can see input equals to 1 1 1 1 triple time 1 triple time 3 4 2 time 4 and 2 time 2. Okay, so this will return true because we got repeating, we got lots of duplicate value here. Okay, so here I need to define class. I'm going to solve it, so I need to define class solution. I need to define one function. Define here I am going to define one function. Okay, so this is our function define count duplicates. Okay, so here self is the parameter. Every class contain 4 reference parameter, that is self and number. This is for number. We expect output in list, and that should be in integer, and we got output in boolean like true and false. Okay, so here I need to define scene equals to set. Okay, so if we have any duplicate value or if we have any unique value, so we can check our scene that has only unique values. Okay, now for n in nums. Okay, now for n in numbers. Okay, if n in scene return true, otherwise scene dot add and return false. Okay, so it should be capital. It's a LeetCode class. Okay, so we got correct answer. So all three cases are accepting. So here you can see this is a class and this is our function. Okay, and there is two arguments like self and numbers. Numbers has list like this. Okay, and this should be integer and output in true and false. Okay, so true and false. So here you can see scene equals to set, that we only have only unique character. Okay, I mean unique values, not character. Okay, sorry. So scene equals to set, that set set are used um, for storing unique values. Okay, for n in numbers. Okay, if you have numbers like this. Okay, so n equals to 1, we take I mean multiple times, n equals to 1, n equals to 1, n equals to 1, and n equals to 3, n equals to 3. When a loop is iterating, when we change the n equals to 1 and n equals to 4, n equals to 2, like this. Okay, so for n in numbers, if number in scene. Okay, so like if n equals to 1, then we are going to check here in scene that 1 are present here or not. If not, then we return true. Okay, otherwise we need to add this number here in scene. Okay, and after that return false. Okay, here for same I am going to do for 1. Okay, uh, I have already had 1 here at first time, and after that we increase n value, n equals to 1 at index 1. Okay, this is for 0 index and this is for index 1. Okay, so here for n in numbers, if n in scene, so that time n is present in scene. Okay, so we are not going to, sorry, we are going to return true. Okay, and after that we will also check for 1. Okay, so this condition we need to return true again, and after that I need to do for 3. So if n equal n in numbers. Okay, n equals to 3, so we will check and set. So set doesn't have any 3. Okay, so here we need to add this in scene. Okay, and return false. So guys, I have I mean all 77 test cases has been passed. So this problem accepted. Now I am going to solve another problem in another video. Please watch me again, and please do share, subscribe, and like and comments. Bye bye, take care.